Hey YouTube, we're back at the field again today on a cool November morning. We're going to try to get a maiden on this E Flite Mini Pulse XT. It's 3S and bought it yesterday used, of course, and got a receiver scrounged up and got it together and bound and should be set up and ready to go. We'll see how it goes. All right, we got an issue. All right, take two on taxiing out.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
What in the heck?
Timer stop. Timer start.
All right, try number 3. Oh yeah.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start.
Okay, this is getting dumb. How's that wheel tighten up like that? All right, is this attempt number 4 or 5? Wow. All right, here we go, taking off.
I think if you do that a lot, they probably stop doing it. But you know, what happens to all this stuff? Somebody. Why I think people.
Ooh, lots of trimming.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Wow.
How you feel, Craig?
Terrible.
Well, I ain't all one here.
It likes to roll real hard.
I think John's coming out. Really, that'd be nice. Yeah. He says he feels better since he drained his lungs, which I'm happy for. Yeah. Except for when he coughs, it hurts like crazy. Oh, I'll bet. Yeah, that poor guy's sure gone.
Jeez.
He really is. Oh, man. That's what's wearing his body down, I believe. What does? All these surgeries that John had, that's gotta wear the body down, Tim.
Wow, it rolls to the right. Terrible.
I just been fortunate, I don't know why.
That's all the trim. That's 100% rates. Still likes to roll to the right.
You kinda made a transition this year like me. You know what, Tim? You kinda made a transition. More, yeah, to the full ball system. Yeah. I brought full one. You know, I kinda wish you would. I don't know why. I just kinda look all good now. Coffee's on. You'll appreciate that. Mike, Tim?
What's that?
Coffee time.
Oh.
Yeah, and there's ice cream left for you, Tim.
I was gonna ask that. Is there still ice cream in there?
Yep, I'm emptying the fridge tonight too.
Okay.
They want to DC
Oh.
it.
I should have gone easier on the coffee before I left.
Timer stop.
Or I got both.
Timer start.
I got both.
1 minute.
Tim and I have got to go out for brunch sometime this winter.
Still rolls hard right.
Put some ice cream in that coffee.
I guess we'll
What the heck? I'll take two tables until somebody comes, right?
Oh yeah. Might be it. I don't know who else is coming.
Well, there were like 7 people on the list that they're
Oh.
coming.
Yeah. All right. Don?
Timer stop. 30
Don
seconds.
coming?
John's coming too. He didn't put it on the
Timer
list,
start.
but he wrote me
Timer
and said
stop.
yes.
Oh.
Timer start. Timer stop.
I don't know if Dave will be here. He's pretty much around,
Timer start.
Yeah.
Timer stop.
all right. Squirrely on the ground too. All right. Well, that was a maiden.
Timer start.
All right. So with all the trim into it, you can see the surfaces. Smidge there. Smidge there. We'll have to figure out what that's all about, but otherwise, I mean, it flew pretty good. Using a 2200 roaring top, because that's all the battery that I had with Dean's connectors on it. And CG is 70 millimeters back from leading edge, and that is definitely not where I'm at. It's pretty nose heavy at that setting, but I can't get the battery back any further, so I'll have to investigate lighter batteries or skinnier batteries to get wedged in there. Otherwise, we're good. So that was the Maiden, and it was a little rough. It wanted to roll hard right, so I have full trim to the left, and it still has a little bit of tendency to roll to the right, so we'll have to do some adjusting on the linkages and get that corrected. Otherwise, it seemed to be good. Had some problems with the wheel. Wanted to lock up. Every time it rolled forward, the inner jam nut would roll up and lock up the wheel. So it took 4 or 5 tries to get it off the runway. So I used a 2200 battery, because that's all I had with the Deans, and it came out at 72% after the flight. I believe it's around 4 minutes. So we'll do some working on this thing and we'll get her dialed in yet. It's fun. Small little plane, probably good for no wind. Wouldn't be a whole lot of fun chasing in the wind, I suppose. So catch you later.